All right, Hyperbaric fam, we're back at it again. Day 2. Gonna go pass out some flyers. Still waiting on confirmation on if we'll get the chambers this Friday, but stay tuned. And I'm hoping these videos will get better. Honestly, I've never done a YouTube video, so well, maybe I did one, maybe for seminary or whatever. But in any event, I mean, YouTube is growing, and figured out how to add music to it yesterday. So bear with me, we're growing, we're getting better at things, learning new things, and yeah, just can't wait to start and get today started, meet some new businesses, and maybe you guys know these people, and if you know someone else that maybe I need to go drop a flyer off or have any interest, yeah, drop it in the comments or give us a call, and I'd love to discuss kind of how this hyperbaric thing works and how it can help improve and just make you feel better, give you some more energy, get you all jacked up. So in any event, back to the grindstone here, and yeah, wish me luck today. God bless. All right, here we are at On the Juice Holistic Center. I hear a lot of good things about this place. You know, a lot of people looking to get better wellness, even cancer support and whatnot, getting their juice on over here. So I'm curious to see what it's all about, and just kind of see what everybody does here. Getting some good juice, good nutrition, stuff like that. So I can't wait to try. Also be a good place for wellness, and maybe to throw a flyer on a bulletin. So we'll see that. Also hear a good thing about Casey's Catfish Corral, which is also over here. So yeah, check this place out. Yeah, look it up. I can give you directions if you ask, but I couldn't exactly tell you from right now. But God bless. I will let you know here in a jiffy. All right, what's up, Hyperbaric family? So yeah, I just went over here with Jordan. Got to meet Jordan. Really cool dude. He was hustling in there. A lot of people, and like they have just about everything. Got this green juice, kind of green goodness is what it's called. And yeah, look at it. It's On the Juice Holistic Center. You know, a lot of people trying to get healthy and live that healthy life, right? Also got some protein balls here. These look delicious. And so, yeah, come on over here and get your nutrition on, I suppose. And yeah, he was even saying there's a pretty good community here that, does go way up north to get hyperbaric. So hopefully we can keep things local here and affordable. And yeah, red light, hyperbaric, all the body needs other than this awesome nutrition. So off the next stop, really great people here, right by Casey's Catfish Corral. If you're like me and you don't always remember these juice things. But yeah, On the Juice Holistic Center. Remember that. Great stuff. Hit up Jordan. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. So God bless. Off to the next adventure. All right, here you're gonna visit, Tim Longus, and there is a barbershop here. Preach Barbershop, I will say. Really good place. So yeah, I see Tim's signs everywhere. He's definitely hustling for real estate and pretty integrated here in the community. Just love to stop by and put a flyer in the office, and people get some haircuts in addition to his services. They'll see some wellness and maybe be interested. Who knows? So I'll jump right in and let you know how it went. All right, just got back from talking with Tim Longus, awesome realtor over here, as well as Devin from Preach Blades, a really good barber, so highly recommend them if you're here in Ardmore or going downtown. Yeah, good people, so pretty receptive to the idea of red light hyperbaric. So yeah, exciting things, can't wait to start. Until we get to the next adventure, we'll be there. All right, God bless. So as I'm roaming around with a selfie stick, thought I might as well at least show you kind of the lay of the land. This is the entrance here. Of course, we are right across from Mercy over there. So come on by. We'd love to see you. If you got questions, don't be afraid to ask. We got phone numbers I feel like I'm pretty approachable, but I'm just looking forward to taking care of people and let them know what this whole hyperbaric thing is all about. So like, click, subscribe, call, stop by, complain, whatever you do, but let me know how it's all going, all right? Thanks again, and God bless. One thing I will say that's kind of funny in this office is a lot of these offices where we're located, it's kind of like a little wellness hub here. So I'm going to take you in here backwards, and this is kind of where we're going to have chamber number 2. You can see, not the best way to see. Chamber 2, we're going to have some good Genesis mouse swag, bathroom in here. Give you a little better view of what we're looking like in here. Still a work in progress. So as we get closer, I'll let you guys know. But right now, we're just drumming up interest. Hope, a dream, and a prayer. So let everybody know. Come on out. Hopefully, we get the chambers in here. Maybe this Friday, maybe next week sometime. But where we're at, it's a good hub. We got Michelle. She's doing some massages here, starting in August, maybe a little sooner. And so people helping people, so all businesses kind of combine to support each other and hopefully help each other out. So got any questions? Call me back.